This video we will be going through a few different examples, basic rules to find the Pythagoras theorem. So let's do it. And right, so first of all, I have an example here. I have the say 3, 4 right angle here. So I need to find the third one. To help me a bit, I will name this X. If you like, you can have any other baby sharks or something, whatever you like. I just go simple. So now, because X is the side opposite to the right angle, so this is the longest side. So the longest side stay aside. And then the other two, we just have to square them. So we have 9 plus 25, 9 plus 4 equals to 16, and then equals to 25. X squared equals to 15, so X will be equals to 5 or negative 5, because negative 5 times 5, negative times and negative 5 is also equals to 25. There's two chances. But X is a length, so it has to be positive, so I will reject this one. That means reject means not using this one, no more. So X will only be equals to 5. Alright, this is a nice one. Sometimes the number doesn't go so well. For example, this is a horrible one. So I have a 1 and 110 here. Alright, again, if you want X, you want to be X. If you want Y, you want to be Y, or you can just call it C, because it's longer side anyway. So I have C squared equals to 1 squared plus 1 plus 10 squared. That's too quick, sorry. So we have 1 plus 100 equals to 101. So C equals to square root 101. If you want, you can just stop right here. This is the exact value. We cannot do anything with it. However, if you're really tedious, really insist, we can work with those. So this is our MYP3 calculator. So we square root 101. It might give you like this because the calculator has set it to be giving it insert form. So you will have to press this one, SD. Right? So we press that. We got to have our calculator value. 1, 2, usually if we didn't say it, question didn't say it's 3 significant figures. So we count 1, 2, 3. Pointing at the 0, looking at the 4. Alright, I need to point to the 0. And then imagine this is my eye looking at the 4. The 4 is smaller than 5, so you do not round it up. So what the answer will be 10.036. Sometimes you write that if the question didn't say so. If the question says so, you just go with the question and that would be fine. Alright? Alright, number, not nice, we can do for other place. It might not be just looking for the C. Sometimes they gave you the C and you need to find the other one. So you have to be very careful. The triangle may come in different steps. So 2 sides, we want the 3 sides. So opposite to the hypotenuse is 9. This is C. So this is A or B, it doesn't matter. We call it A for now. So now we will have our A squared plus B squared equals to C squared. So multiply, plus, put it to the other side, minus. So 81 minus 36. A should be equals to square root 81 minus 36. I'm going to ignore the negative because I know it's the length. So actually our calculator can do everything in one go. So square root 81 minus 36. And this give us, it's already simplified already. So I will got the exact value, square root 5. But if you are just into, I do not like the square root, I don't like the symbol. Alright, you can get it to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. 0, the next one is 8, add 1, so it should be 6.71. I will be equally happy if I see these two answers. Either one will do, as long as it comes with the working. So that is the basic Pythagoras theorem on finding different sides.